Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. Today, I got an epic review for you behind me. This is a 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. I love the Dark Horse edition. Very cool vehicle. I just wanted to show it to you all and let you know where it is. It's at the Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive. Y'all come by and check it out. We got a couple of them in stock. Got a bunch of Mustangs, got an awesome crew. And like they always say, we make it easy. So in this video, just wanted to kind of go over a couple things, the exterior, let y'all check out the interior, and then we're going to take it around the block real quick. Come make these keys right here. Make these keys your keys, y'all. And like I said, we'll be glad to have you over here. I'll give you the official color here in a second. I call it cool blue because it just looks awesome. Once again, I'll have all the dealership information down in the description where you can find us. I'll have this vehicle's information down in the description so you can find this on our website. And of course, I'll have the Google Maps where you can come by and check this thing out live and in person, take it for a spin as well. No pressure, and we're going to go from there. Hope y'all having a great day or night or evening whenever you see this video. Peace. All right, crew, we are going to look at this exterior. I'm going to show you the engine, get you the horsepower numbers, all that good stuff. And then, like I said, if you hang around for just a little while longer, we'll take it for a spin. So this is a Dark Horse special edition Mustang. That is a beautiful vehicle. Once again, I'll get you the official color here in a second. Dang, something flew around here low. Whoa, some birds flying around here. Anyway, Dark Horse edition. First things first, you'll notice the Dark Horse here on the grill. We got a bunch of black accents all the way around. Nice black splitter there. Come around here to the side. Here's the Dark Horse emblem. The Dark Horses come standard with the Brembo brakes right there. Y'all can see. Sorry about the sun streaks. It's real bright out here. A nice day in Tallahassee, Florida. You got the black mirror caps here. Let's give y'all a brief look of the interior right here. Nice touches. You got your Dark Horse emblem right there on the kick panel. Heavily bolstered seats. Like I said, just check it out. We want you actually to come by here and see it in person. There's adjustments for the exhaust. There's adjustments for the steering. You got your electronic parking brake right there. Nice touches. We ain't gonna mess with the back seat. You get a Mustang, you already know about the back seat, I hope. Big enough for the kiddos. Come around here to the back. I love these bronze wheels on this one. Got the big exhaust. They sound good. I got it in track mode right now. Got to hear that V8. Once again, little merchandising. There's Tallahassee Ford's plate. But we want your plate on there. Here's the trunk real quick. Just going over a quick view of this Mustang. Mostly just to give you anticipation to come by here and see it for yourself. Beautiful car. Lower stance. From the factory. Let me show you the engine. It's the 5.0 V8 producing 500 horsepower. Looks good. Ford put these dual intakes on here. So we got one intake there. Two throttle bodies, y'all. Another intake there. Two throttle bodies. Able to be heavily modded. I love this brace here. The engine brace with the Dark Horse logo on it. And like I said, this is a brief look at this thing. We want to take it out on the road, give y'all that experience, what I call a virtual test drive. Once again, it's over here at 243 North Magnolia Drive. Come by and see us. Come by and see our awesome crew. We want to serve you. We want to serve the community. This video's purpose is to give back to the community one photo, one video at a time. Thank y'all for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. We're going to take this Dark Horse around the corner so that we can give you what we call the virtual test drive. Y'all hang tight. All right, so first things first, you do have what we call a proximity key, which means as long as you have in the proximity of the vehicle, you can start it, you can remote start it, put it right here in the cup holder. This is a push button start right here. You can't miss the red button. And we're gonna go from there. Y'all listen to this startup. I put this wall behind me so y'all can hear it bouncing off the wall back here behind our dealership at 243 North Magnolia Drive. Come by and see us. I'm gonna go ahead and push the what I call the horse mode, not the horse mode, the horse button here. Once the screen comes up, you see it's got the Dark Horse insignia pulling up right there. Once the infotainment screen loads up, I'm gonna put the exhaust in what we call track mode, so y'all can hear it, hear the awesome sounds, the little pops and burbles. Once again, you have a LED screen right here in front of you, another LED screen for the infotainment screen. You got heated seats, you got ventilated seats, you got a heated steering wheel in the mix. When I say the Dark Horse is very well optioned out, a lot of standard features there, nice touches all the way around. You got your build number right here, which is 55757, which is a cool touch there for future endeavors that you do with the vehicle. You do have an electronic parking brake right here. You can pull up. That's a cool touch there. And then push down to release it. And then, like I said, you got your exhaust modes. These things are customizable. You got track apps, all kind of goodness there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in track exhaust mode. And yeah, let's give it a couple revs here. Pure V8 muscle. These 5.0s can handle plenty of boost if that's something you want to do. And like I said, without further ado, let's go for a test drive here. You can change the steering effort, so you have normal, you have comfort, and then you have sport, which I'm gonna leave it in sport. You got your different drive modes right here that you can change. I'll just put it in sport. When you do that, you can still go back in there and customize the exhaust mode, so that's cool there. You got paddle shifters, all kind of good stuff there. I love the contrast stitching. I love what Ford did with the materials in here, high quality materials. Let me go ahead and turn on the headlights for safety, and here we go. That V8 is humming, and yeah, so you got 500 horsepower at your right foot. This is a 10-speed auto. You can also get it with a Tremec 6-speed, which has a short throw. I've driven one of those before. They feel really, really good. But the 10-speed is not a slouch either. So here we go. Let's just go for a ride, y'all. Put these windows up, and yeah, we will enjoy and trust the process. The Brembos feel really, really good too. Woo-wee. So my test drive route is on purpose, and the reason why I say that, here in a second I'm gonna pass by our dealership. I want to give you a visual so you know where we're at. Right there's Discount Tire to the right. Here's our pre-owned vehicles right here. You cannot beat or miss the dealership. See it? There it is. Once again, I'll have the Google Maps down in the description so you can find the dealership, all that good stuff, and we're gonna go from there. Just gonna take it around the block, virtual test drive for y'all. Speed is amazing. Ooh, there's a little pop from the exhaust. This feels good. And the reason why I chose this vehicle today, there's a couple reasons. The awesome exterior paint color, which I need to get that for you guys safely. This color is Grabber Blue Metallic. Grabber Blue Metallic. Okay, just wanted to let y'all have that so you know. That was one reason. The second reason is because Ford has so many future trim levels coming out. I just wanted to show love to what's out right now. You know, as far as the 5.0, you got the GT, which is kind of the standard. Then you go up to the Dark Horse, and then there's so much more. Just follow Ford Motor Company so that you guys can stay in a loop with these awesome trim levels that we have there for you. Also, just to let you know that we have so many wonderful vehicles here at Tallahassee Ford. We got a couple of them here. I think we got a manual as well with the Tremec. And it's just, you can visit our website, www.tallahasseeford.com, and go from there. So just wanted to share that with you all really quickly, and trust and enjoy the process, if that makes sense. And let me tell you something, a lot of our crew have Mustangs now, a couple of them. Right here, this silver one, this is TJ, our gentleman that does so much at the dealership. Just give him a shout out. He's got his Mustang right here, and then it's just so many. Val, shout out Val, she's got a silver Mustang as well. So, you know, we're all a family, and we want you to join our family. I just want y'all to hear that V8. Don't forget, like I said, we want you guys to come by and test drive these for yourself too. So right here, we're going to do a turn circle test and an acceleration run, and go from there. Turn circle's good. Here we go. Woo, there's a little pop. Like Levert said back in the day, if y'all 70s and 80s babies, pop, 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 pop goes my mind every time I think about y'all know the song, but those pops from that exhaust just reminded me of that song. So anyway, just a promo video so that y'all can have a feel and something to go by when you come by our lot. You know, I feel like my thing is, this is JRide by the way, if you hang around the barbershop long enough, you'll get a haircut. And what that means, as far as why I do what I do and why I love what I do, we put enough promotion out there in our city, over the internet, wherever you guys and gals see this stuff, you're bound to be curious enough to come by and check it out for yourself. Same thing like when you go to a new barbershop that you've never been before. You might not have an appointment, you might not know which barber to go to, but eventually somebody is going to say, hey man, you need a cut? So you hang around long enough, you're going to get a haircut. And same thing with our promotion. Follow our Facebook page at Tallahassee Ford. Follow our Instagram page, Tallahassee Ford, YouTube, and TikTok for more epic videos to come. More events that we're going to be holding and sponsoring, giveaways at the dealership, promotions, how-to videos. We got all that coming, and we just super excited for what we planning on doing through social media for you guys this year. Ain't nothing like a V8, man. And here we're gonna go through this intersection. I want to give you a little bit of steering feel. Look how that thing turns in. Turns in absolutely amazing. And yeah, this cool touches. And right here, back at our lot, and this is where we want you to come to so that you can check this thing out for yourself. And I'm just gonna take you, this is our showroom, by the way, service department, and then I'm just gonna take you right down here where all of the Mustangs are, and then we'll wrap this one up. Love that sound. And here's another Dark Horse, and just like that, family and friends and subscribers and prospective customers, this video is a wrap. Thank y'all for watching, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. Come check us out. One more rev for y'all. Here we go. Come check it out for yourself. Peace.